This is another sign of the times, an analysis and a commentary. Parts of Mars' interior as wet as Earth's. The interior of Mars holds vast reservoirs of water, with some spots apparently as wet as Earth's innards, scientists say. The finding upends previous studies which had estimated that the red planet's internal water stores were scanty at best, something of a surprise, given that liquid water apparently flowed on the Martian surface long ago. In other words, there is water on Mars, more than previously thought. It's been puzzling why previous estimates for the planet's interior have been so dry. This new research makes sense and suggests that volcanoes may have been the primary vehicle for getting water to the surface. Scientists have examined 2 Martian meteorites that formed in the planet's mantle, the layer under the crust. These rocks landed on Earth about 2.5 million years ago, after being blasted off the red planet by a violent impact. Using a technique called secondary ion mass spectrometry, the team determined that the mantle from which the meteorites derived contained between 70 and 300 parts per million ppm of water. Earth's mantle, for comparison, holds roughly 50 to 300 ppm water, researchers said. The results suggest that water was incorporated during the formation of Mars, and that the planet was able to store water in its interior during the planet's formation. Some of this water apparently made its way to the surface in the ancient past. NASA's Spirit and Opportunity rovers, which landed on the red planet in 2004, have found plenty of evidence that Mars was far warmer and wetter billions of years ago than it is today. The 2 golf cart-sized robots have even spotted signs of ancient hydrothermal systems, suggesting that some places on the red planet once had both water and an energy source, 2 key ingredients for the existence of life as we know it. While the new results should help scientists better understand Mars and its history, they could also shed light on the evolution of large rocky bodies in a more general sense, researchers said. Not only does this study explain how Mars got its water, it provides a mechanism for hydrogen storage on all the terrestrial planets at the time of their formation. Lead author Francis McCubbin of the University of New Mexico said in a statement. The study was published in the journal Geology on June 15th. Again, there is water on Mars and in Mars, and water is life. Water is also a part of the Holy Spirit. Mars is a future new Earth, and someday humans will colonize Mars, and they will live there. So, Mars is a part of the future of humanity. It's also called human destiny. Everything is connected, and everything is numbered. Again, Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. 2. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. 3. And God said, Let there be light, and there was light. 4. And God saw the light, that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. 5. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night, and the evening and the morning were the first day. 6. And God said, Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters. 7. And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. 8. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. 9. And God said, let the waters under the heaven be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear. And it was so. And these are more signs. This is the time when the past, the present, and the future comes together or collides into one another in some kind of way. In other words, everything that must change quickly or rapidly, and for the better, because it's about what kind of world or worlds are we leaving to the future generations. And that should be a very important question to ask